So you know those Jeep upgrade videos? You know the type. Where the stock components failed and the owner went out, paid a bunch of money to get the best possible parts to replace the inadequate stock components. And then the video is all about how much the item cost, or how great it is compared to the stock component, or how the stock component couldn't possibly hold up to trail use. Yeah, this is not that video. Alright folks, so some time ago, I put this adapter on here to fit my larger tires. This is when I put 33-inch tires on the Jeep. I'm talking 3-4 years ago. So I knew that eventually the day would come where I would have to replace this tire carrier. What I thought was going to happen was that the door was going to crack, because that's what everybody seems to say is going to happen. What actually happened is that the factory tire carrier has cracked. That's what this ratchet strap is all about. I was out on the trail doing some scouting for the Jeep Jamboree, and I noticed this, almost cracking noise or squeaking noise coming from my tire carrier. It's been doing it for quite a while, and I decided, listen, it's time to look into this before something terrible happens. And I'm glad I did. Because what I found was this angle right here where the face of the tire carrier comes to the base here, there's a crack right through it. So today I'm going to have to try to fix that. So you can see right here, that's where it cracked. I had this all apart not long ago when I did the CB antenna mount here, and I didn't even notice the crack. And I'm pretty sure it was there then. So what I'm going to do is basically take all this off of here. And then once it's off, I'm going to see what I can do to strengthen this up a bit and get it all back together. Nothing crazy today. I'm basically just going to fix this up. Maybe add some supports in here, I don't know. And then put it back together. It'll get me by for who knows how long after this. But hopefully I'll get some more life out of it. I managed to get a helper here. You like helping Daddy in the garage? Alright, hold on.
That's what helps you clean better.
Right in here is where my crack was. I thought long and hard about what else I can do to make this better. And I think the best course of action is to just run a bead along there to strengthen it up a bit. And then build a tire carrier later. But someone's going to have to stop doing that before I can weld on it. Okay. So, that's what I'm going to do. I tried to get in here with a file. Well, I tried a wire brush first. That kind of worked, but file really did it. I'm going to clean that up a little more, and then I'm going to lay a bead here and lay a bead there and hope for the best. Maybe I'll put a piece of angle here, too. I don't know. We'll see.
And Daddy also has a mini screw.
Yeah, that's a wrench. Mini wrench.
Yeah, mini wrench.
Mini wrench.
And there's also a big one. It's going in order. And then large. And then mini one. That's the order. Okay, so here we go. I cleaned it up good, and then I put 2 pieces of angle steel that I had laying around, just kind of welded onto the back there. I also put a bead along the inside of the crack there. Hopefully this will hold. I think the ultimate solution is going to be to pitch this whole thing and build a tire carrier, but I need this fixed by Thursday, because that's when the Jamboree is, and I think this will hold for that. So once this cools off good, I'm just going to squirt it with some paint, and then I think it's done. Put it back together. Alright, so not exactly hardcore fabrication today, not even a crazy ingenious fix, but tire carrier should last, at least for the Jamboree, maybe for years to come.
And on the bright side, you can probably expect to see a tire carrier build out of me in the coming months. So hope you guys have enjoyed my quick little fix. If you didn't, I'm sorry. It's not really a crazy involved video today. Sometimes little quick fixes are just fun to record and show you guys what's possible if you just step back and think, instead of breaking out the wallet every time something fails on your Jeep. After I got those little brackets welded on there, I basically cleaned it up good and hit it up with some paint. I'm waiting for the paint to dry now. Once it's all dry, I'm just going to put it all back together and put it back on the Jeep. That's about it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to support the channel, you can do so by going to SWBCrawler.com. We've got a Patreon page. We've also got merchandise on SWBCrawler.com. Like I said, thanks for watching. Remember, get out there and wheel, and I'll catch you in the next video.